Okay, so we are going to go through this video. This is in Anambra State. Traditional worshippers decided to protest against governor of Anambra State, Professor Soludo. And many of you know what Soludo, the governor of Anambra State, stands for, and his battle and you know problem with traditional worshippers, native doctors and rest of them. There's a why, that kind of thing. So he's having issue with them, and that issue keep on lingering, going on. It has lingered a lot, for long actually, because many people that are believed in traditional worshiping and traditional belief in Anambra State, they don't like what Soludo is doing. He started by saying that Anambra State is a Christian state, although you have said something here, in that aspect here. And that statement did not go down well with some of the people who actually believe in worshiping idol, like what we're seeing here. They are protesting, and they came out in the attire, with some cultural costume and all that. Some of you may say that it's not costume, it is a tradition and all that. But be it as it may, we are not here to argue anything at all. But I just want to understand that many of them are here trying to, protest just to secure their belief and their faith. Do you understand? We are not here to waste much of your time. We are gonna, make it snappy. What do you think? Is it the right thing? Are you in support of what governor did, or you are against? Because to me, I believe in that freedom of worship should be, allowed. I believe I'm a Christian. Don't get it twisted. I'm a Christian, but allow them to do what they're doing as long as they are not using that to take lives, or maybe they are not, making the environment to look so hazard, or trying to deprive anybody livelihood, or trying that, like one of the things that governor said is breaking of eggs in the major road or in the roadside at all. Those sacrifices that people normally do at the road corner should stop, which to me, yeah, it make more sense, because you don't just turn every street to become, something unthinkable. Okay, so we are going to go through those things. I'm going to allow the video to play, but before then, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, tell me what you think about it, and make sure you, of course, your comment is very, very important. That's how you can tell us what you think about it. And some of you that live in Anambra, maybe you have a better, version of this video, like maybe you have a lot about what happened, who is the leader of this group, and the one did those Operation Gachi, that is security outfit of Soludo, which personally I'm against, because they don't represent anything positive, to be honest. All the governors are now using their people to show their muscle, I don't know why, because I played a video of one security man in the market telling people when to how to come back, how to come back, anywhere you are within the region. Make sure that if it once it's 10:30 p.m., you should sleep wherever you are. Don't go anywhere. Just stay until daybreak. Otherwise, you're gonna join the security if they get hold of you. So that video happened to me in Enugu State, because if you have watched that video, I made it clear that their language that the language they speak in that video, I think dialect, it sounds to me more Enugu than Anambra. But the Anamberans have told me that that video actually came from Enugu. I think the place is from Eziago. So, but Igbo is Igbo, you're right. So we are not here to segregate. But I don't know, to be honest with you, that youth in Anambra, like what I'm seeing here in this video, are still, in the following idol worshippers. I don't know. I was thinking that most of them should embrace Christianity, but if they choose to do what they're doing, don't force them to do anything, do otherwise. That's all I can say about that. And anybody who is using their voodoo, because what made Soludo, governor of Anambra State, to actually go hard on them is because of the recent ritual, quest for money, all the native doctors having living a luxurious life, riding a lot of expensive cars, building, living in mansions. Then people, if that is the case, then our forefathers, they didn't, they, are not, they did not, get handle it well. They did not, because some of them are not rich, some of them are not, none of them, not even not some, none of them are as rich as the recent doctors from Anambra State. So that means a lot. And one of the hotel in Anambra, human body was discovered there. A lot of deadly rituals going on there. Anambra native doctors are somehow mean, to be honest with you. But I am a supporter of checkmating them to control what is going on in their hideout. And in Anambra, they are still practicing this idea of bringing the corpse to shrine and making it look like the person that buy is that the deity buy the person, and therefore the person own the deity own the body of the, that kind of barbaric lifestyle. So they are still practicing that, which is awkward to me. But seeing the huge number of people here protesting, it tells you that Christianity are not doing they are not doing good, because what I'm seeing here simply means that almost Anambarians are traditional worshippers. So Christianity there is just formality for formality. Well, let's start from the beginning. So, my people, that is it from Anambra, and I would like you to tell me what you think about this, and please subscribe to the channel. It's, to me, it's quite funny, but tell me your own opinion about it, because I don't. I mean, I'm surprised to see the huge number of people that are still following traditional, worship like this. I'm not against it. I'm not against their belief, but I'm surprised, to be honest with you. So see you again, and tell me what you think about it. God bless you all. Bye bye for now.